What's up guys? In today's video we will test a new wireless earbuds from Haylou company. Their full name is Haylou X1 Neo. The main features of these earbuds are Bluetooth 5.3 support, 13mm dynamic driver, 0.06 seconds low latency, and touch control. However, I think the design is an advantage of the new earbuds because they have a transparent lid of the charging case, while the weight of one earbud is only 3.8 grams. Okay, let's start the review of Haylou X1 Neo with unboxing. The new earbuds come in a nice box with company logo, model name and the image on the front. We can also read some specifications on the back. Inside the box there is user manual, USB Type-C cable, and a charging case with earbuds. As you can see, I have a black color version of Haylou X1 Neo, but they are also available in a white color. I decided to buy the black version because it has a red inside of the charging case. It looks very attractive to me. As I already said, the lid of the charging case is transparent. However, it is quite difficult to see what's inside. The charging case is made of matte plastic, and it is very nice to hold in the hand. You know, the charging case, as well as the earbuds, is very lightweight. It is only 32 grams with earbuds inside. The weight of one earbud is 3.8 grams. There is Haylou logo on the front of the case and USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. Talking about the design of the earbuds, they are fully black. By the way, Haylou X1 Neo have a half-in-ear design without silicone ear tips. They are very comfortable in the ears and do not bring any discomfort during a long time of listening to music. The earbuds also fit securely in the ears. I even think you can run or do active sports with them. The earbuds also have IPX4 waterproof rating, so don't worry about the sweat or the rain damaging them. However, you cannot take a shower or swim in the pool with these earbuds. Haylou X1 Neo has a touch control panels, and let's talk about their functions. First, you can pause the music with single tap on any earbud. And then you can switch to the next track with double press on the right earbud, and switch to the previous track with a double press on the left earbud. Haylou X1 Neo has a gaming mode, and you can activate it by press and hold any earbud for 3 seconds. Unfortunately, there is no volume control or automatic music pause when you take the earbuds out of the ears. However, this is not a big problem because these are budget earbuds. As for the calling functions, you can tap any earbud to answer or hang up the call, and double tap any earbud to reject the call. As I already said, Haylou X1 Neo has a gaming mode, and the manufacturer promises only 0.06 seconds low latency in games. Let's check it out. You know, the latency in PUBG Mobile is really low, and it is very convenient to play games with Haylou X1 Neo. I didn't find any information about microphones on the official website or user manual, but we need to check the mic quality. Hey, what's up? I'm testing the microphone of Haylou X1 Neo earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm in a quiet room right now, but let me turn on the street noise simulation on the laptop. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What do you think about microphone quality? Write in the comments below. Haylou X1 Neo has the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, 13mm dynamic driver, and SBC codec support. These are budget TWS earbuds under $30, and they have a very good volume and clear sound. As for the bass, it is quite powerful, but you need to insert the earbuds in your ears properly. When I first put the earbuds in, the sound wasn't great, but after I adjusted them, I got much better, both bass and vocals. Once you have the earbuds in your ears, twist them up and down until the sound gets better. For the price of $30, the sound quality of Haylou X1 Neo is good. You know, a charging case and the earbuds of Haylou X1 Neo are very compact, so a case battery capacity is 310 mAh, while a single earbud battery capacity is 30 mAh. You can expect about 5 hours of battery life on a single charge. A total battery life with charging case is 20 hours. This is enough for listening of 300 tracks or watching of 10 movies. So Haylou X1 Neo are the budget earbuds, and I cannot say they really surprised me. To be honest, there are many similar earbuds on the market, and they are no worse than this one. However, you shouldn't expect anything extraordinary from $25 earbuds. The charging case looks very beautiful, with a combination of black and red colors. The earbuds have a half-in-ear design, and they are very comfortable. As for the control functions, you cannot change the volume, but you can play pause the music and switch tracks. Haylou X1 Neo has a gaming mode and a low latency, so they are good for playing PUBG Mobile and other shooting games. The sound quality is also good, but you need to adjust the position of the earbuds in your ears, because this greatly affects the sound. If you like the new Haylou X1 Neo, you can buy these earbuds by the links in description. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!